So let's say your course is not receiving as many sales as you would hope. I've seen tons of other instructors complaining about this. Incidentally, if your course is not a bestseller, there are tons of improvements you can make. Let me share them with you. First, improve your course content. Ask yourself, what kind of content can you include in your course to make it stand out? What do your students desperately want to learn that your competitors maybe are not doing? A lot of the times, the reason why an online course is not selling is because its content presents no real value to the students. Once a student lands on the course landing page, takes a look at the course description, watches a few preview videos, and if they don't completely believe that the course is going to help them, they won't buy it. So let's suppose your course is 30 minutes and competes with other courses who are 6 or 7 hours. Your course has very slim chances of winning. So if your competitors have longer courses, your only choice is to create a course that is as long or longer. I'm going to tell you from now, the more competitive Udemy gets, you're going to see a lot of people create very long courses as a way to compete with the rest of us. This will result in courses and information in general becoming cheaper and cheaper, unfortunately. But for now, we have no choice but to create long courses as well. Check any course category right now, and you'll see that the top selling courses in that category are all longer than the rest. Unless a lot of people know your name, in which case you don't have to do a lot of work because you're an authority in your industry already. So if your course is too short, make it longer, at least as long as the other courses in the same category. Create an interesting promise. Simplify your solution as much as you can. Even throw in a few high quality bonuses to increase course value. Do that and you're golden. Get more traffic. So the other thing you want to look at is traffic. If you're not running any promotions outside of Udemy, at least do some SEO to get your course to rank high on Udemy for the targeted search terms. I'm telling you, it's really simple, and I show you how to do it in other videos inside this course. The goal is when somebody types in your course topic in the search bar, your course should be amongst the top right there in the first few pages of the search results. Now, on top of SEO, you gotta run promotions for your course, find affiliates, build an email list, gotta submit your course to those coupon sites, share some free content and link back to your course, etc. Optimize your landing page. One thing I see most of the time is poorly done landing pages, boring promo videos, course descriptions that are hard to read, etc. So what happens is students lose interest and continue their search for the right course.